Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make a vegetable dish that gives you some Chinese New Year feel. So how do we give it some Chinese New Year feel is that we are going to make a golden sauce. Yeah, a golden sauce. So how do we make the golden sauce? This is some kim kue, pumpkin. Yeah, this is pumpkin. It's like I cut about a small bowl of pumpkin, and I steam it for approximately 25 minutes. Yeah, 20 to 25 minutes. Then it will become softened and mushy like this. So remember, after you cut it, you remove the outer skin. You must also remove the inner sides. Yeah. So after that, we want only the flesh, and we steam it. Then I will be using some娃娃菜, which is the baby Chinese cabbage. So originally it looks like something like this, and I cut it open. Yeah, this is very crispy, very sweet. Later we are just going to blanch this and make some golden sauce.
Cooking Appa.
Alright, so after you wash your baby Chinese cabbage, then you cut it into half, and you can put it into this chicken stock. This is actually chicken stock, and we can actually add a little bit of salt inside, yeah, to pre-flavor the veggie. Blanching is the fastest. You can also steam it, up to you. So we just want to make it cook. It will probably takes, I don't know, probably 10-15 minutes for it to be cooked. As long as it is softened, then you know it is already cooked. Okay, so while waiting for the veggie, we don't waste our time. We have some chicken stock here, one small bowl, your blender, yeah, and this is the pumpkin. So what you do is you put in the pumpkin. It's already very mushy. Actually, this is a chopper. This is not a proper blender. It's probably better to use a proper blender. Yeah, Appa lazy lah. Right, then we add in some chicken stock. No need a lot. You put in too much, later it will splash. That's the thing, because this is a chopper. Then after you close it on the power, ooh, immediately becomes you get your golden sauce. Alright, done. You get a very thick golden sauce. We're going to cook this sauce. Right, so I have moved the pumpkin sauce or pumpkin puree onto the pot, and I don't mind dilute it a little bit. Just I don't want to add too much water into my chopper because it will splash. Yeah. So you're going to heat this up, and you're going to add a bit of milk. This will actually make it more creamier, and then we can actually season it with a little bit of salt. Keep on stirring. And your golden sauce is basically ready. You can put a bit of white pepper here if you like. Let's put a bit of white pepper. Beautiful golden sauce. Okay. I'm not adding sugar because the pumpkin itself is already very sweet. Don't know why when I was younger I don't eat pumpkin. Now only I'm beginning learning how to appreciate pumpkin. Right. Beautiful sauce. Can give it a little bit more chicken stock. I will make it half watery, yeah, because I'm going to pour it over my veggie later. Alright, basically the pumpkin sauce is done. Let's just wait for the veggie. Now it is not really very easy to find this veggie from anywhere. Usually you can get it from the supermarket. If you really can't find it, you can just use a normal Chinese cabbage. No problem. Baby Chinese cabbage looks nicer, looks cuter, and tastes really good also. But it is a bit difficult to find. Almost there. Okay, I think this is approximately 10 minutes. You can see all the color has already, the veggie has softened and it's becoming a bit half transparent. That is a sign telling you it's basically done. So you will cook it probably about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so basically the sauce, the veggie is ready. We can combine the two together. This one I actually added a little bit of chicken stock just now to further dilute. So what I will do here is, let me off this. I will pour it at the bottom. The beautiful golden soup. Alright. If you prefer it to be very thick, up to you. I prefer it to be a bit watery, yeah? So after that, we will put it inside. Rearrange it a bit. Okay, I quickly soak some goji berries and put on top for garnishing. Alright, I have a golden Chinese cabbage for my Chinese New Year. If you don't have if you can't find the baby long cabbage, you can use the normal long Chinese cabbage. Alright, so I hope you like my very simple video today. If you prefer it more golden in color, of course, just make it thicker. Use more pumpkin, then it will be very, very good. Alright, if you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Happy Chinese New Year to you all. Bye bye.